Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about hydrothermal method for nanomaterial preparation. A hydrothermal reaction is a chemical reaction that takes place between the precursor materials dissolved in an aqueous solution at a temperature higher than that of the boiling temperature of water. The apparatus consists of an autoclave. The hydrothermal autoclave should have some important characteristics. These characteristics are: it must be inert to acids, bases and oxidizing agents. It must have sufficient length to obtain a desired temperature gradient. It should be leak proof and rugged enough so as to keep the required temperature and pressure range for a long period. Let us see the process details. In this process, first the hydrated metal ions are hydrolyzed to metal hydroxide. The metal hydroxide then precipitate as metal oxides through dehydration. The crucial parameters of the hydrothermal synthesis which determine both the reaction kinetics and the properties of the resulting products are the initial pH value of the medium, the synthesis temperature and pressure, and the reaction time. The hydrothermal reaction is ideal for the synthesis of very fine nanopowders having high purity, controlled stoichiometry and narrow particle size distribution. This is the schematic diagram of hydrothermal method. In hydrothermal method, a single or heterogeneous phase reaction takes place at a high temperature and pressure to crystallize anhydrous ceramic or oxide nanomaterials directly from solutions. The reaction is carried out in water or organic solvents at elevated temperature and pressure for known time in an autoclave. Typically, the temperature in a hydrothermal process falls between the boiling point of water and critical temperature, while the pressure is over 100 kPa. Nucleation and the consequent particle growth that occur under these conditions can result in nano-sized material. To remove the ions and other impurities, the product obtained is washed with distilled water or acetone. By drying in air, fresh well-dispersed nanoparticles can be obtained. The hydrothermal method has some advantages. They are: using this technique, one can prepare nanomaterials with controlled microstructure and morphology. High-density nanostructures with a high crystallinity can be obtained using this synthesis technique. The disadvantages of this method are: prior knowledge on solubility of starting materials is required. Hydrothermal slurries are potentially corrosive. Accidental expulsion of the high pressure vessel cannot be ruled out. Hope you all understood how nanomaterials can be prepared using hydrothermal method. Thank you.